Hi guys, welcome back to Driving in Jamaica. Today we're driving through New Kingston. We're on Knutsford Boulevard. It's a weekday, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like. Now straight ahead on the right is a hotel. It used to be the Wyndham Hotel, but it was recently purchased by the Courtly Hotel Group. So I'm assuming it's going to open as part of the Courtly complex, and the Courtly is right next door. So what I heard is though Courtly and this building is going to operate as one hotel. So you'll have like, this is just another building on the Courtly compound. So the work is on the way to renovate this hotel and to connect both, so you don't have to go back out on the main road. And this building is actually the second tallest building in New Kingston. The tallest being the Pegasus, which is also a hotel. So the two tallest buildings in New Kingston are both hotels. Okay, we're passing on the left is Dominica Drive. And as you're going to figure out soon, most of the roads in New Kingston are named after Caribbean countries. And ironically, there is no Jamaica Avenue, or no road in New Kingston is named after Jamaica. Somebody had mentioned that Knutsford Boulevard, which is basically the main road, should be renamed Jamaica Avenue or Jamaica Boulevard. I think that would be a good idea. Okay, we just crossed over Trinidad Terrace. And New Kingston is the financial hub of Jamaica, financial district. So you're going to find every bank, every financial institution. Okay, we're just passing over Barbados Avenue. Every major financial institution will have a location in this area. Okay, we're now going on to Grenada Crescent. And another reason why Knutsford Boulevard should be renamed Jamaica Boulevard is it has some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica on it. The other 6 tallest buildings in New Kingston, 5 are on Knutsford Boulevard. So that would be a nice tribute, I guess, to Jamaica. As you can see, New Kingston is a very nice area. And you notice you don't really see a lot of indiscipline with the parking, because just as we say that, look at this car here. Parked on the sidewalk on a yellow line in front of a government building. First of all, the security should not allow them to do that, but a record should come along and tow them. But you don't usually find that level of indiscipline on the roads as you do in other parts of Jamaica. Just over the weekend, the holiday weekends in St. Anne, it took hours for persons to get from St. Anne's Bay to Ocho Rios, just because somebody was having a party at a beach and the persons decided to park and block up the main road. And with all the police that Jamaica have, or that are in Jamaica, you must have highway patrol on a highway to run on the Northern Coastal Highway. You must have police that use the road. And the road was blocked for about 6 hours. It's unbelievable, the level of indiscipline. The party should have been shut down and those cars towed. But it wasn't. And there was a traffic backup for about 6 hours. Terrible. Terrible. Anyway, we are now on Barbados Avenue. On the right is the R. Danny Williams building, and it's the Sagicor head office. No, the St. Anne Parish Council said that I think they closed the beach that the party was at, or they're not allowing any more events to be held there because of what happened. But this happened a few years ago before COVID, where somebody had a party out by Palisados, and Palisados is the main road to get to the airport. The same thing happened. The people block up the main road to the airport to add injury to insult, or insult to injury. So persons who were trying to get to the airport to get on a flight couldn't do it, and that road was backed up for hours. And the same thing, the police never locked down the party and the cars weren't towed. At one point, people got out of their car and walked to the airport or took a taxi or just so that they could get on their flight. So it's not like we're learning. This is ridiculous. Certain places that don't have adequate parking should not be allowed to have a party. As simple as that. And you can't really blame the... Okay, we just turned on to Dominica Drive. Okay, you can't really blame the government, because guess what? Some of these people or some of these events don't even have a permit. They have no permission. But that doesn't excuse it. The police drive on the road. The police have the power to tow cars, and the police have the power to shut down a party. So at some point, if the road is blocked and they know what is causing it, they should shut down the party and tow the cars to free up the main road. It's a main road. And to tell you how bad it is, a lot of tourists use that road. A lot of tour buses use that road to get persons from, say, when the ships come in to, say, Duns River Falls, where they can, to the different attractions. And you know those ships run on a tight schedule. So if you're not back by a certain time, so I'm very surprised that the police did not do more to free up that road and allowed persons to have to be delayed so long just for indiscipline on the roads. Very surprised. We're going to actually do a video of the event that had the party and look at the parking. But if you Google it on the internet, there are persons who, while waiting in traffic, sent up drones, so they have very nice pictures. So if you want to Google it, it happened over Easter weekend in Jamaica. But it should not happen. Alright, we're back on Knutsford Boulevard. As you can see, most of the roads here are named after Caribbean countries. Passing over Grenada Crescent now, and we're heading out of New Kingston back towards Trafalgar Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.